Well, it's a week later and we're getting ready for the snow. So before the snow hits, we're lighting the grill. We've got our newfangled veggie baskets. There's onions, peppers, mushrooms, all kinds of stuff. We're going to do chicken, barbecue chicken, corn on the cob, the veggies, and garlic bread on the grill. Should be good. Just added some corn on the cob. Got some butter, salt, and pepper brushed on it. Yum. Somebody was in the mood for veggies tonight, can you tell? Barbecue chicken's on.
Let's see, are you videoing?
Now the garlic bread is on, wrapped in foil. Olive oil, butter, oregano, parsley, garlic.
Plane from 14045's iPhone.
Double fireplace. LOL. If you're in the storm's path, have a great time. Snow is better than ice. -5 or 15 degrees is going to be brutal, but we're ready. We got wood. We're ready. Have a good night.